Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today we'll take a quick look at the EUR/dollar. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators, and this is EUR/dollar chart. It is a 30-minute time frame, my favorite time frame for day trading analysis. And the level that I want to talk about, the strong support, is this one at 1.0320. This level got formed yesterday. There was macro news. It was macro news which was not expected. It was a statement by Donald Trump, and it caused this strong buying activity on the euro. And this strong buying activity actually formed a new level to trade from. If you look into this area with volume profile, then you can see that there were heavy volumes in this little rotation. And afterwards there was this macro news and this strong buying activity. Now, this is telling us that this is an important zone, and the beginning of the zone is right here. And the aggressive buyers who are pushing the price upwards from this heavy volume zone should defend this heavy volume zone. So when there's a pullback, it is very likely that the buyers from here, those heavy volumes, will want to push the price upwards from here again, right? As you can see, there were also a couple of reactions to this area in the past, not exactly to that level, but to the general area. That means that it was a resistance and it turned into a support, right? So it was a resistance, and when the price blew past that resistance, it turned into a support. Now, another thing that adds strength to this level is that this is a huge fair value gap. It is highlighted in green. My software does that. Actually, it's not my software. I found it on the internet, but I'm using it. It marks the fair value gaps, and this is the beginning of that huge fair value gap at our level. And this is also another thing that adds strength to that level, right? Because this is the start of the fair value gap, and just by itself, this could mean a strong support. So this is a strong support to trade from. Right now, we just need to wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then we take it from here. A very similar scenario was on the Australian dollar, US dollar. Let me show you. In this case, the trade have already played out, but let me show you how it is supposed to look like, all right? So there was this heavy volume zone, followed by that strong buying activity during the macro news. And this is the beginning of the heavy volume zone right here. And this was the reaction. So I would like to see something like this on the euro as well. Let me go back to the euro chart. You can see that those charts are very similar, at least this part of the chart is very similar. So I like to see a similar reaction as on the Australian dollar here. And if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading tools. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.